We often have heard, I'm sure, this saying, God loves a cheerful giver. In this context, let us understand and reflect on today's gospel passage. We heard that Jesus was in the treasury in the temple. The temple had a number of so-called collection boxes. They were all made of brass with a big base and a small mouth. You also know that in those days there were no currency notes. There were only coins. So the more coins you put, the more noise they made. In a sense, the person who did that was blowing his own trumpet. In this context, we hear Jesus saying that poor widow has put in more than all the others who came in. Why does Jesus say that? Because the others, the rich, have put in not at the cost of their own life. They put in more because that was extra for them. It did not pinch them at all. It was extra, so they put in the treasury. God doesn't appreciate that. He loves people who give cheerfully. God loves those people who give out of trust, not out of abundance. This poor widow, all that she had for her living, gave all to the treasury. She was not bound to give, but she felt that God alone is her treasure. God alone will provide her for her means. What message does it give to us? God loves a cheerful giver. When you give, not just the money, but the services, your talents, you share them with others with a smile. God appreciates that. God doesn't appreciate, or no human being appreciate we do something out of duty or compulsion. We do it with cheerful heart, trusting in God. Then God surely appreciates. We ask God for the grace that we share all that we have, not just belongings, wealth, but our talents with others, with a smile on our face.